So I'm back, just out of the shower. Did a bit of a workout did my hill workout on the bike because it was pouring rain outside, and I usually do hill repeats on grass, and so I thought I'd give my body a bit of a break from the pounding and do a hill workout on the bike. Felt pretty good. And before I get into the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And so, yeah.
Here is Sam doing his hill work indoors because it's all sloppy outside. You look at those legs move. Maybe we'll come over here and get a side view of how fast he's going here. Yes, he is. You'll notice he has good form here. Arms straight and erect, legs spinning like a top. And the nicest thing about this is I don't have to time it because it's timing itself. 43 seconds, 45. This is number 2 of 7 for Sam. So
Shirts off after this one, boys.
This film is easy. Maybe I'll have him do his workouts on the bike all the time. And we are back with Shirtless Sam and number 3. Apparently it gets pretty hot down in the basement. You can see though that he's still maintaining a nice even pace. You don't see him going way fast and then slowing down. You see him just grinding away. Probably in his brain, in his head, he's thinking, I'm gonna be better because of this, and he will be. He should look up at the camera though, because he knows that his feet aren't going to go anywhere except stay on the bike. Under 15 seconds now. You know, you see this is like getting your knees up when you ride properly. Now, we're going to have to say so long until the next. Back again, number 4 of 7. Sam seems to be holding up pretty well. He's happy to be a pioneer in waiting. And she is preparing diligently for his virtual 2-mile on Tuesday of next week. We will do our best to film it in its entirety. Well, we have to film it in its entirety in order for it to be an official entry. Sam is hoofing right along. He's already at about 5, 4, 3. See you in a few minutes. Bye-bye. Here we are, number 5 of 7. I like to keep mention on the video how many he's done. That way it keeps me from forgetting the number. So while you were out, Sam did a rather relaxed 2 minutes on his bike. Well, it's not even his bike. The high school very generously lent it to him. I don't think they're going to give it to him as a high school graduation present. Although that would be nice. Nope. Always, always, always keep your hands on the bar. That helps you to maintain proper bicycle riding form. And it also takes a bit of the pressure off your legs. We will have more coaching tips possibly in number 6 because we're out of here. Bye-bye. Again, for number 6 out of 7, Sam tells me that he's starting to, quote, feel it in my legs, unquote. So, again, notice the proper form and the breathing. The only thing he should do is try to look ahead the whole time instead of looking down, because after all, when you're on the bike, hands on always. After all, when you're riding on the bike, your legs are always going to be on the pedals. There's no place else for them to go. He's focusing on this one, which is good. And he's already under 20 seconds to go on the next to last. We call that the penultimate interval. Okay, so bye-bye. Here we go. Here we go on the last one. I was going to do this in super slow-mo, but Sam said no. So I guess you'll get to see him do it at real speed. I'm just curious what it would look like, because it would be 1 minute, but in super slow motion, it would look like he was really straining on this last one. He's only got 30 seconds. Well, now he has 30 seconds left. So now is when the athlete wants to really focus on their goal. On this, in this instance, he wants to focus on keeping his form. And he is at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bye-bye from today's workout.